Hey dancers, welcome to the tutorial for Burlesque. This is from the movie Burlesque, and it's by the one and only Cher. Get ready. So we start walking up towards the mirror. Hands on the hips or waist. We're gonna walk up right, left, right, and we're gonna tap the left foot out, in. And then that same foot is gonna go back. Left, right, left, tap the right foot out, in. Facing the front. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, we're going to take to the left. It's just a little hip roll to the side, side, and side. Now the hand is fingers, 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 fingers. Let me show the face in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. Right hand blows 2 kisses, and the head comes up and up. We take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm, arm, shake. And bring the right foot in and we slap the hands down. And we want to hear that slap. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. After the slap, we're going to take the arms. They're little beautiful snake arms. We take them to the right first. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot crosses, and we turn to the front, and we pull, and body roll up. It looks like this. Pull up. Face in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we take it out. Double right, double left, double right, double left. We turn, we walk into the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn again, and we get ready for the top. Now, as we're going up, the arms are going to come through the body, up, and they're going to go whatever you want to do here, but sensual and sexual. As we walk back, you really want to work the hips to show off the goods. So, we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull. To the front, it goes 1, 2, left, right again, up, and up. Turn it, walk it back, slow, 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 front. And then we're going to circle around and around. To get ready, hands are already ready to go as we walk up front. Right, left, right, tap, in, left, right, left, tap, and repeat front and back. Again, we come to the side, 4 hips with the hands. We start with left hand, front, right, left, right. 2 kisses, and then left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Arm, arm, shake it, and slap it. This time, we have 4 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg out. We're going to walk the fingers down the leg. Tap, tap, tap. And flick. Switch, walk the fingers down those legs, and flick. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and flick. Other leg, down, and flick, and walking forward. There's just one more little piece of choreography, comes right in the middle of the third time through. When we come to the side, arm, arm, instead we're gonna do the bump and grind, bump and grind, and that replaces the shake, slap. So 2 times of the shake, slap, the third time, arm, arm, bump, and grind before we take it up for the final time. Work those arms, turn, walk into the back, and front, and hold. We finish by tapping the foot to the side. Left, right, and then left comes in front and cross. We turn back all the way to the front, and we hit a pose on the last note. So as we're coming forward, last time it goes tap, cross, cross in front, turn, and hit a pose. Just one, you pick. All right, guys, that's all the choreography. Let's dance it.